So in late June of 2024, Ewan called me up and asked me, "Hey Mo, come on over to Warsaw. I want you to tune up on the shitstorm." And I said, "Sure, why not? What the hell? Free trip to Warsaw. I've never been there. 15-hour flight. Here I am pulling into Warsaw in a taxi, and I'm massively jet lagged. That building in the background is the famous Stalin's penis. I didn't know what to expect when I got to Warsaw. I was very surprised. The contrast in architecture, I mean, this old Soviet buildings and then brand new stuff, crazy brand new architecture. They put me up right in downtown, and I was surprised how clean Warsaw was. A really nice city. So this is my first afternoon in downtown Warsaw. So they got me right in downtown, that Hotel Merkur, however you pronounce it. I don't speak any Polish, so I heard about the milk bar. So I'm like, I'll try to order something. I order, I guess, 2 scoops of potatoes. There you go. So yeah, here we go. Another shot of Stalin's penis. And they got me right across the street from this mall. There's the motel or hotel, and it was nice. Had a great breakfast. Here's the mall, huge mall, and then I could get some supplies there. I could get a bottle of Coca-Cola, and there we go. So this is the next morning. I went for a walk early in the morning. This is behind the Hotel Merkur. They got all this Solidarność, or however you pronounce it. And so they've got these old Soviet buildings right next to all the brand new stuff. So I was fascinated with that. And these old, it's all graffitied up. And then, you got these brand new crazy high rises right next to it. So it's just it's really interesting that way. It's not boring, that's a fact. So I believe that Stalin told the people of Warsaw that I'll give you this administrative building or a subway system. I believe that's how the story went. Anyways, it is a beautiful building, and I believe now they have a museum in the base of it. So the next morning I met up with Simon, and he's a Polish fixer, sweet guy, took me all around Warsaw, great guy. And he wanted to take me over to Moto Theodore, and that is the motorcycle shop in south side of Warsaw that we needed to do some tune-up work on Ewan's bike, the Shitstorm. And anyways, I found it fascinating that they're racing these dirt bikes with slicks on them. And I just thought, man, that must be just crazy. So it must be fun and crazy all at the same time. So we kind of scoped it out, and I don't even think Ewan was in town yet. Yeah, I don't think he was in yet. And then they set me up in the fancy Prudential Hotel, which is the old Prudential Insurance building, built in like 1938 pre-war. Way too fancy for me. I mean, what am I going to do with a marble bidet and a marble bathtub? It's just crazy. This is the hotel. The new hotel they put me up in. So this is my buddy Simon. Say hello, Simon.
Hi, you guys.
So this is beautiful. I definitely don't deserve this. This is not.
Oh well, you do.
No.
Oh come on.
You don't know me very well. This is nice.
You must have done something in your life you deserve it.
I don't know. So later that afternoon, Ewan and Charlie rode in from Lithuania, and we hung out for a little bit, and they decided they wanted to do a walk in Old Town Warsaw and go out to dinner, and they brought a film crew. So they shot some of that for the 9th episode, and I guess somehow they snuck in my bald head. That's my only evidence I was in that episode. And then we had a great dinner, and Old Town Warsaw was beautiful. And then the following morning, we met up at Moto Theodore and start working on Ewan's bike. David, one of the producers, set us up with a wonderful pierogi brunch.
My wife loves
Okay,
it.
explain it again there, David. I've got to send this back to...
Okay, we're gonna go through this one more time, fellas.
We'll
We're gonna
start this in.
We're gonna start with the zapakanki. This is like a Polish pizza, mushroom, cheese. They love ketchup. They put that on there. This is the Russian one with bacon. Let's go through the sweeties. This guy right here, strawberry.
Ooh.
So good. Blueberry.
Ooh.
Is this for Lindsay, so she knows?
Oh.
Bilberry.
Oh.
These guys were, which ones are these? Meat.
With me.
This is with meat. My all-time favorite, mushroom and cabbage.
Ooh.
Classic. Sweet cheese.
Oh, yes, good.
Okay? Whilst in Warsaw, this is how we roll. The guys we're working with here in the garage were like, do you guys want pizza or Mexican? We're like, no. We want pierogies, and we want these. Zapakanki. Look at that. That's good looking.
It's good. I had a whole one.
By the way, I feel guilty. We didn't have any of our vegetables. Should we hit the... Is this carrot or...
Yes, this is straight.
This video coming up, Ewan actually shot it showing Lindsay the new bell placement on the shitstorm.
Lindsay, here is the new position for the bell. Look at that. It was nice where it was, but I think we found a better spot. Right in the heart of the bike, eh, Mo?
There you go.
And
You missed the pierogi.
cue the rain.
Just you said Lindsay, and it's starting to rain. That luck coming right at us from Lindsay. She's
Hey,
like,
Lindsay.
"Oh,
Thank you, Lindsay. Thank you for my bell. I think you'll agree it's really in the heart of the bike now.
So after the tune-up, it's time to test ride the bike through the vicious streets of Warsaw. And I'm trying to hold an iPhone and film at the same time. And then it's back to Hotel Prudential and then off to a fancy dinner. You can't beat that with a stick. Once again, they've invited me into a real fancy restaurant and with real fancy food. Gorgeous food, taking pictures of different people's plates, and way too fancy for me, but it was much appreciated, and these guys really took care of me and treated me like a king, so it was fun. And heading back to the hotel, night shot of Stalin's penis, and then the following morning, Ewan and Charlie took off for Krakow. So here's some shots of them taking off. As Ewan leaves, you can hear him playing with that siren. I want to thank you guys for checking out the video, and I had fun over there, and those guys really treated me well. So great time. Thank you guys for letting me tag along.